G'day everyone, welcome to the East Market Report. I'm back after a little sabbatical down south. Anyway, about 476 cattle yarded here today. Numbers remain light on with all the food about and everyone's looking for cattle. Anyway, the cow market here was a little bit lighter on. About 10
cheaper, he means, a bit cheaper. Go.
About 10 to 12 cents off. Your best cows topped out at $2.90 and your working cows and plainer cows are making sort of $2.40 to 2.65 cents.
That cow's going to have a crack at you right behind you.
The yarding of 8 bulls here today, bulls topped at 320 cents a kilo.
Trade cattle here today, they're sort of 320 to 400 kilo cattle. Believe it or not, was stronger again. In a market where the export cattle were cheaper and the cows were cheaper, trade cattle defied the trend and were dearer. Early, better end of the cards here were making from $4.10 to $4.59. Very, very strong trade market.
Yeah, feeder steers here today were very, very strong. These good steers here made from $3.90 to $4.37. Yeah, restock steers here today were still very, very strong. These good little steers under 200 kilos made from $5.30 up to $6, and over 200 kilos made from $4.90 to $5.30. So still really strong for these really nice little cattle.
Restock the Angus heifers here today, $4.20 to $4.60.
Yeah, still very strong.